Assalamu alaikum dear friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you are fine and hope well. I have many prayers for you. May Allah give you happiness and success. Today I will talk about most stylish and most demanding women collection. Best short graduated bob haircut step by step. Layered bob haircuts ideas. My dear friends, today I showing new videos with new and extremely gorgeous and very trendy type coloring ideas. White, grey, light silver shade, light gold shade, dark brown, brownish, burgundy, reddish and mud more. Very trendy and stylish pictures for you. All cuttings and all designs are very perfect and beautiful for your personality. I must just you watch this video. You will find upcutting ideas in these videos. You can cut this type of cuttings in any salon. All kinds of cuttings will make your personality look great and amazing. If you like this haircut, take a screenshot and save in your mobile. I will try my best to show you all the new latest cutting ideas in our videos. If you want to watch more videos, you visit to my YouTube channel and watch my other videos and get more ideas. My dear friends, subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon. After pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notification of my videos and never miss my video collection of my channel. If you like this video, do click the like button and share videos with friends, family members and all the social media accounts. So do not need to tell me in the comment section to help me how was my videos. Thanks so much for watching my video of my channel. Can help you to give beautiful ideas. I always try to bring useful ideas according to your choice. Best of luck. Take care friend. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.